Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing and fixing messy inputs so analysis runs reliably. Use data get and transform to load CSVs or databases. Once loaded, remove blanks, trim whitespace, and enforce types, numbers, dates, text. Create a unified date column and a numeric ID for joins because joins fail without stable keys. Make sure units match across files. Convert dollar or percentages now. Once done, save a cleaned workbook version so you can always return and not repeat cleanup. You now construct a reliable model and compute core metrics. Load tables into the data model and relate them using keys. Aim for star schema so filters flow correctly. Create pivot tables for exploration, then move to Power Pivot and DAX to define KPIs. Use SUM for totals, divide to avoid errors, and calculate for conditional logic. Once measures exist, add slicers and a timeline for quick segmentation, and set consistent number formats so stakeholders instantly understand dollar amount. You finish by building concise dashboards and preparing delivery. Limit visuals to 1 to 3 key charts, trend, distribution, and top contributors, so decisions follow quickly. Publish the workbook to OneDrive or SharePoint and set automatic refresh if connected to live data. Make sure calculations update after refresh. If numbers look wrong, check relationships, duplicate keys, blank values, and DAX filter context. These are the usual culprits. Finally, document one refresh and validation step so you, or others, can trust the output.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.